Deiser connection. There's a little bit of noise right now, but this is because we're right here at the META-Inf session. That's David right there. Hey David, how you doing? And we said that it was going to be special, so here we go. We're attending the META-Inf Atlassian Day. It's their number 8 in their history, and it's pretty cool. It's been a few years since we don't attend this event because I don't know, something called COVID, didn't allow us, and then other focuses, but we're really happy that we are starting to attend different events again this year. So it's pretty cool. I'm gonna try to show you how everyone's doing, and I'm gonna try to show you what's been going on right here. We have had talks. We had, a little opportunity to visit and to know what other vendors and other solution partners are working on. And so, it's been 3 days. We're a little bit tired, but we're still rocking. We're still rolling. We're still rocking this. So it's pretty amazing. It's pretty nice. So if you follow me right here, I'm going to show you other people's booths, and you can see that there's the Divinity, the Spirit Runner, that's Andy Kirk, the world famous Andy Kirk. He won the presentation yesterday. It was really nice with a really good presentation. So congratulations to him. And then you can see other vendors like JXL, and the girls from Cyber Media. Well, it's been raining for the last 3 days, but we had a lot of fun. We're having fun. There's more people. There's Rafine there. There's the Gadis. There's Pam and Andy. There you go. Always nice to see him. And having some laughs. And the guys from the Gadis. Always good to hang around with. So we've been having some talks. We've been having conversations, and we've been doing a little bit of networking around in order to see the feelings about different Atlassian topics. For example, they're always famous and always into conversation migration to cloud, and what the clients are expecting on that. What possibilities do they have? This event is focused on ITSM, so there's a lot of information about that. There's a lot of apps with ITSM use cases, and we're really glad that we've been here to check them out, and to see what other partners are doing. So it's been super fun, and also we've been getting to meet possible new clients, and they seem really interested in what we have to say about Projectrak, and how we can help them overcome difficult moments when assessing their Jira instances, maybe with preparations to move into cloud, or how to improve their data center, etc., etc. So it's been really cool, we're thrilled that we can attend these type of events, and seeing people's faces, and having this kind of important conversations. It's always rewarding, We're going to go back home with a lot of information and a lot of new actions that we're really looking forward to take. So, without further ado, let me show you a little bit more around. I'm gonna go a little bit booth by booth, so you can see a little bit of the colors of the META-Inf Atlassian Day. See you now. Bye bye.
Okay, coming back to our studios, our temporary studios in Budapest, we wanted to show you the ITSM use case that we showed here, that we showcased in META-Inf Atlassian Day. And we had a workshop and we decided to allow the attendees to create the fields that they needed in order to follow up their ITSM projects. Remember that the ITSM projects in this case would be services, for different customers that we are managing. So let me show you right now what they did right here, in this screen. As you can see, there's a lot of projects and they managed to create these fields like service status, the service leader, the SLA. I was guiding them in order to know what fields to create, what information to obtain with Projectrak. The SLAs, the service level agreement, is really important, so you know what kind of agreement you reach in order to provide service to a customer. Then you need to know the service team, and this is really cool. It's really reflected there, and the level type that you're providing in your projects, to your customers in your projects. Remember that we're talking about customers right now because we're providing a service. If we go to the board view, you will see also that with the fields that they created, like service status, the service status, they will see what status their services are on. If the project is under design, if the service is ready to launch, or if the service is ongoing. And remember that you can move and change the status here at the board, and it's really useful. And then they decided, they saw how they could track the projects with the timeline, with the start date, with the end date, and with the status of the project. I don't know if you see, but they have been completing those fields. They have been assigning those values to those fields, and it's pretty cool. It's pretty nice that they created this. I don't know if you see, that there's an on-track project here. Remember that you're going to be able to move the time around. So this is pretty much it. That's what they did, and we spent some time doing this. We spent some time creating these fields, and I think that they were really happy. They also provided some kind of feedback, that we have managed to save, and we will pass along to our teams, and it's really cool. We're really happy about that. So that's pretty much it for the ITSM use case, and we will let you know when there's another one, and we have been talking to different marketplace partners, and solution partners, and we will be collaborating on different videos for the rest of the year. So expect some visitors, expect some cameos here in the Deiser connection, and that's it. We'll see you tomorrow at in the same channel, and hope that you're having a really good week. We're gonna have some rest because this has been a really nice and amazing week. We had a lot of talks. As I said before, we talked to everyone there, to clients that are already clients, our clients, future clients, possible future clients, and all the partners, or the Atlassian partners, and it was a blast. We had a blast, and we're thrilled to be coming back next year. Hope so. I'm really hoping that we can come next year to the same event. So thank you very much for being there, and see you next week. Bye bye.